up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an oil change on the F250 because it needs one. It's been doing a lot of towing for the Camaro. But I did step on a plug for my hair dryer. I was sitting on the counter straightening my hair and I jumped off and I stepped on the plug for my blow dryer. And it hurts really bad. So if I'm limping around or if I'm walking a little weird, that's why. It is extremely painful and my foot is bleeding and it's swollen. And that happened about an hour ago. So I'm in a lot of pain. But we gotta get this done and it is New Year's Eve. But when you're watching this, it's New Year's. So Happy New Year's. I hope you guys have an awesome 2024. Accomplish all your goals and everything like that. But I'm super thankful for you guys and to a new year and new things happening, and I'm very excited to go into 2024 of building the C6 and the S10, and it's gonna be a great year. So let's get into the oil change and get this thing done. So who am I right now? Me with gloves on, but I do have some really bad cuts on my fingers and I really don't want to get oil in them. So we have everything to catch the oil with. We have 5/8 to break the bolt loose and take the bolts out of the oil pan. Then we have our creeper and then we can slide in and out. But the best thing about this truck is we don't have to jack it up. So we can just roll on underneath. So I'm going to go underneath. I'm going to take off the bolt, drain the oil, and then we will take off the oil filter. Oh man, I forgot to put my gloves on. I took my gloves off because I wanted to put my hair up so that it didn't get stuck in the wheels. And I forgot to put them back on. See? Ow! How do I keep doing that? I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. Just let it drip in. We got a new filter. I'm so glad that I looked at the footage because when did that get there? When did that get there? I need to reset it. So settings, vehicle, oil laugh, reset, hold. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Nothing too crazy. But next video, we will be working on the Camaro. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.